Meaning of errand.
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 Errand. The word errand refers to a short journey made in order to accomplish a specific task, often on someone else's behalf. The task may be trivial or important, but the trip is generally brief and purposeful. Errands are typically run for practical purposes such as picking up groceries or delivering a message, rather than for leisurely reasons. Completing errands efficiently is often seen as a necessary part of being an organized and productive individual, allowing one to tackle multiple tasks in a single outing and minimizing wasted time.